Hey everybody, Sick Will here again. Stuck out of my quarantine and managed to get this stove going. So I throw what I always throw on the pan is some bacon. I don't even know how it got there, but it's there. It's cooking. Pan's hot and crispy. I'm adding some onions to that bacon because that's what I always do. And somehow the onions got chopped, so there they go. So I guess the meal I'm having is pierogies. Because I got a boiling pot of water here and nothing in it. So I gotta find some pierogies. Jackpot. Rogers! Got him! Let me add them. Okay. Rogers. The great part about pierogies is they're so quick and easy. Once these guys have spent like a minute in here, I'm going to strain them and I'm going to fry them up in here. And that's all there is to this. Even Sick Will can make it. Couple of other things I got here just to make it, put a cherry on the cake, you know. First things first is butter. You really want your pan bumping with all kinds of delicious oils before you throw your pierogies in there. And of course, as always, it is easy to be cheesy. That's not enough. That might do it. So right away, those guys have spent enough time in there. Right into the strainer. Right in the pan. Happy sounds, everybody. Happy sounds. Woo! Give that about 30 seconds. Cheese grater. It's time. Just push it and pull. Push in and pull out, baby. Like a Chinese finger trap. Cheese grated. Let's get plated. Uh-oh. They're starting to stick. And then the same as every meal again. A little bit of salt and pepper. Just kind of finishes it off nicely. Those are cooked, but I'll be right back. Gotta have that beautiful extra little touch there. Don't be afraid to garnish your plates, people. And there you have it. Even out of the 6 stupor, I've managed to make something that looks pretty nice, I'd say. So, if I can do it, you can do it. Today's the day. Get out and do it. I'm going to enjoy it. Stay healthy.